Hello everyone and welcome back to Computer Bytes. My name is Awuyemi Victor, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can boost your Fiverr gig rankings on your Fiverr account as a freelancer. I did some other videos on how you can boost and promote your gigs in order to boost your visibilities on Fiverr and get more projects. So in this video I'm going to show you another method and another means you can go about having a lot of impressions and a lot of clicks on your gig on daily basis. But this requires a paid and a free method, so which is what I'm going to show you guys. Now the first thing you have to do is to come over to this website cult.ly. I will leave the link as well in the description of the video. I explained how to make use of this in some of my last videos. So if you haven't watched the videos, I will leave the link in the description below. So the first thing you have to do is to sign up and create an account if you don't have one. And you have to, but I already have an account here, so I'm going to log into my account. Now the next thing you have to do is to copy your Fiverr gig link, and then you paste it here. Then you click on shorten. Now this is some of my Fiverr gigs link. Now I'm going to click here so that you guys can see the kind of clicks or the amount of clicks I'm having on daily basis. So right now you can see within a day I was having 1,700 clicks in a day. I can choose to have more than this, but I decided to limit it and stop it for now. That was for yesterday. So today I'm having 180 clicks already. Now how can you get something like this? So the platform which you are going to use is to come over to this platform, viewfaucet.com. I will also leave the link to this website in the description of the video. Now there are several things you can do on this platform. You can earn daily on this platform. There are some daily rewards as well. And this platform is a crypto based project website where you can earn faucets. You can, by completing tasks, just like the platform which I share with you guys, the trafop.net that I share with you guys in my last video. Now all you have to do is to make sure you need to have some balance on your account. And how can you get balance? It is two ways, either free or paid. The free means you can get balance is you visit other people's websites and they are going to give you token. But here now, when you get your token, you can even go as far as withdrawing your token. But for us here, we want to use the tokens to promote our gig. So what you are going to do, the first thing you are going to do is to get some tokens. So if you want to use this for free, you need to come over here and click on PTC. So if you find something like PTC here, then you click on it. Now, so when you click on PTC, you are going to see some available ads. See the current available ads. Then you see the rewards, the current rewards I'm having, the tokens, and then you're going to see the total time and everything that I've spent. Now there are three means you can get tokens, either through Windows, in-frame here, or YouTube. But I prefer going with the Windows, so it's just like me visiting a website. Now you can see different ads here, and then you see the reward, the amount of tokens they are going to reward you, the number of time you need to spend on the website, and then the hours, like when if I should watch this kind of video or this kind of website and I click on view now, I will only have access to revisit this website after 6 hours from now. So that is what this is about. Now all I'm going to do is I'm going to show us some practical example. So for instance, this kind of ads now, they are going to give me 50 tokens. So what I'm going to do is click on view, then it's going to open a new tab. If I should go back, you can see it's counting down 10, 9, 8. So I need to spend that 15 seconds on this website. 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Now it's going to pop up and ask me to complete this to prove that I'm an woman. So it says that select the upside down picture. So this is an upside down picture. I'm going to click on verify, and okay, it's not correct. Upside down picture, that should be, let's check this. Yeah, so now you can see it says that you have claimed 50 tokens. So now if you come to your reward here, it's going to increase your reward tokens. So you can keep doing this for some hours. So when you are done with the website, you can just close it and then check another one. I can click view this. It's going to open up a new browser, then start counting for 15 seconds again. So compared to the traffob.net, which I showed you guys in my last video, if you haven't watched that, it looks similar to this, but the difference is that this does not require you waiting for 20 seconds. Now I'm going to verify this as well. So right now you can see I've been rewarded with 50 tokens, and if you come over here, you see it's going to increase it as well. Now once you have your reward tokens, we have your available tokens. Now the next thing is for us to promote our gig. So how are we going to do that? What you are going to do, the next thing you do is come over to advertiser and click on it. It's going to drop down, and then click on PTC campaign. Click on PTC campaign. But before I click there, I'm going to show you guys how you can buy. If you have money, you can come to deposit over here. You can click on deposit. Now it's going to take you to this page. Then you can decide the amount of tokens you want to buy. So right now, if I should pay $0.5, they are going to give me 50,000 tokens, which I can use to advertise and promote my gig. So if I want to buy something like $10, that is 1 million tokens. So that's just the way it is. You can choose your payment method, but the best and recommended one which I advise you use is making use of direct. Don't make use of payer. I tried payer and I had headache. I had a lot of headache, and in fact their charges is actually too high. It was too high. On every transaction you'll be charged $3. So I don't advise you going with payer. So I will advise you go with direct. Then you click on deposit. Now you can go on Binance and purchase a crypto token depending on which one you prefer to use. But I suggest you make use of, you pay with USDT using Tron wallet, Tron network, and then the charges is actually going to be low. I think I paid $1 to confirm this $10 payment, so that was $11. Now once you have your tokens in your balance, so when the confirmation is done, you can come over to your dashboard here, and then you can see your balance and everything here, the deposit balance. Now the next thing is to come over here, click on PTC campaigns. Now this is where you are going to promote your gig. So what you have to do is come over to Kotlin, copy your short link URL and paste it here. Then you can give it a title, probably something like maybe WordPress. Then give it a description. You can also write WordPress gig or WordPress website. Now this is where you need to set the duration. So how long do you want people to view your gig page? Either 5 seconds, 15 seconds, 30 seconds, or 60 seconds, like the number of seconds you want people to stay on your page. But personally, I would recommend going with 15 seconds, because if you choose 5 seconds, Fiverr might think probably you are just manipulating, or maybe it is bot that is visiting your gig, and which can somehow to some extent harm your account. Who knows? So it's, I don't really know, I can't really say, but personally I feel like you going with 15 seconds will make sense. But the more time you choose here is the more tokens that you have to reward people. So 15 seconds for 70 tokens per view. Now the number of views and clicks, how many do you need? So probably you want to go for 1000, so that means for 1000 total views I'm going to pay 70,000 tokens. If I should change it to 2000, I'm going to pay 140 tokens. So for instance, if you want a 10,000 views on your gig, that means you are going to pay 700,000 tokens. So it's still below $10. Now you can come over here and click on enable limits. So if you click on enable limit, this enable limit will allow you to set the maximum views per day that you want to have for your gig. So the minimum here is 1000, and which I think 1000 is advisable, and it's probably you can make use of. Personally I make use of 1000. Then you can leave this coupon code as default. Now once you are done with that, you need to fill this captcha and then click on create. So immediately you create, then you will have access. You can come over to your campaign here, and within few minutes your campaign should be up and running. Now if you click on here now, you can see the campaign which I started this promotion yesterday, and right now I'm having 2460 views on my gig. So coming over here, I can reload this and let's check the current analytics. So you can see right now I'm having 2758 total clicks, and today I'm having 442 clicks today, and the amount which I'm spending to run this campaign or to promote this gig is still below $10. And in fact I still have some kind of balance tokens available on my view asset account. So this is a I think, to me personally, so far so good. This is one of the best way or best method of promoting your gigs and having real traffics instead of bot traffics being directed to your gig. And with this, as time goes on, you start getting ranked on Google, start on Fiverr, and your gig start getting optimized and being promoted. So, and when you start making money, you can keep on investing, like paying maybe probably $10-20 in a month, every month, to promote your gigs here, which you know that you are the people that will be visiting your gigs are going to be real traffics. And in fact, some people who are clicking your links might, who knows, probably be in need of your gigs or your service that you are offering in your gig. But now the best advice which I'm going to give us here, which is going to be the end of this video, is when you are running your campaign, don't overdo it. Like maybe you are driving like 10,000 traffics or views, clicks to your gigs every single day. It is not actually recommended. So when you get to some point, you can pause your campaign. So let me show you guys how you can pause your campaign. You can come to PTC campaign here, click on your campaigns. So this is where you can pause your campaign. You can pause your campaign here, and then when you pause it, you can pause it on daily basis. Probably when you have 1000 clicks or views in a day on your gig, you can pause it and then you resume it the next day. So this is how you can promote your gig, and I believe this video has been so helpful to you. So if you find it very helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Have a lovely day. Bye.